Where do we get nucleotides from? We have touched on what nucleotides are and some of the reasons as to why they are important to us. The next element is where we get nucleotides from. There are in fact various sources of nucleotides. The first source is your own body. Your body can manufacture its own nucleotides from first principles using basic natural sources and resources. This is known as de novo synthesis. It is an extremely slow and time-consuming process that is highly energy-intensive and therefore very taxing on your body. Another source is known as the salvage pathway. In nature, nothing goes to waste, and your body has the ability to recycle and rework dead cells. Once again, this is a time-consuming process that is highly energy-intensive and is only around 80% effective. Another source of nucleotides is through your diet. Nucleotides are available in very low levels in various food sources within our normal day-to-day diet. For example, vegetables, fruit, meat, fish, and milk products. The food with the highest concentration of nucleotides is offal, lungs, kidneys, and intestines. In our modern Western diets, organs are not commonly eaten anymore, and they are most certainly no longer a staple food. In order to get enough nucleotides from your diet alone, you would need to eat about 50 kilograms of broccoli a day and about 2 kilograms of raw offal, which are lungs, kidneys, and intestines. Sadly, the absorption of nucleotides from our food is only about 15% effective, and the nucleotides found in food are not in the correct proportion for optimum and rapid utilization in the body. As discussed previously, in order for your body to function optimally, you need all 5 nucleotides available in the correct form and proportion. A deficiency in one nucleotide cannot be made up by an excess in another nucleotide. If one is in short supply, it becomes the limiting factor. Think of it this way. If your car runs out of petrol, you are effectively broken down and no longer able to get to your final destination. The final source of nucleotides is via external nutritional supplements, like the products supplied by Nucleocell Nutrition. Nucleocell Nutrition only uses nucleotides sourced from a single supplier based in Switzerland. Our nucleotides are in highly available form, so that they are readily and easily absorbed by the body. When our balanced formulation of highly available nucleotides is added to your diet in the recommended way, it can have a significant and positive impact on your health. Nucleotides that are balanced and freely available have a much better absorption rate in your gut, and this absorption rate has been shown to be in excess of 80%. Brought to you by Nucleocell Nutrition, nutrition for your DNA.